Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about how to become a security consultant. When you want to become a security consultant, means you need to know lot many things. You are giving your consultancy expertise, expert advice to the company, to the person, to the organization to secure their networks, their systems, their whatsoever the properties related to information they are having, the devices related to the cyber security is having. You need a lot of knowledge for security consultant. Okay, so what exactly the job responsibilities or you need to know about when you are thinking to become a security consultant, and in today's session I'm just going to discuss. So first of all, we need to understand about the proper knowledge of all the things that come under a company, a organization. Okay. Might be you are the consultants of a consultant, in-house consultant of a company, or might be the companies are hiring your services for consulting uh, related to the security of the organization. Okay, you need a lot, really a lot of knowledge. Okay, first of all, you need to understand each and everything about the organization, each and everything. Okay, how many devices are there? What type of networking devices, security devices, or what are the access management, how they are configured their security devices, what policies they are using, what is the objective of the company. Okay, and where are their information, how critical that information, you need to know each and everything. Okay, and after that you must be able to understand the risk management, where the very critical information or critical asset exist of the company, which is having more value, whether that's related to their data. Okay, that's related to their employee, their customer, their client, their partners. Okay, or their production data, whatsoever it is, you must have the knowledge of this one. And you need to understand, yes, as per the categorization of this one, if any kind of threat or any attack, cyber attack will happen, then what will be the damage to the organization. Okay, so complete risk about the threats, and how nowadays what type of threats are in the over the internet, and what type of tools hackers or cyber criminals are using, what type of industries they are targeting, what type of vulnerabilities they are finding, what methods they are using to sending their malware, what techniques they are using to hiding themselves or evade the security services devices, or what the security postures you are having, how they are evading, or each and everything. You must know all these things, because you are going to consult them what are the best practices, best methods to use their resources to protect their data, their resources against the cyber attacks. Okay, and assess security solutions in in the particular scenario that might be industry specific, or to the specific to the organization. So you need to understand in particular scenario what will be the solution, will be the best for that organization. Okay, what type of framework, okay, uh, will be required for certain industry, and how they will secure their data and comply with those those rule regulations which they are need to comply for, say PCI DSS or the HIPAA or the other kind of rule regulation implemented to those industries. So you need to know all these things. And to secure data, their data, whether the data is at rest, maybe that's stay in the servers in the data center, okay, or that's on the laptop or hard disk, where it is, how just you are going to protect, how they need to encryption method they need to implement, what are the keys they will use to encrypt, and where they store those keys. Okay, you need to guide each and everything about that. And when your data the data of the company is in motion, moving from one point to another point, then what type of encryption they are going to use there. And when they are allowing their remote users to access that data, what type of VPN they will going to use, what encryption method will be suitable for those devices, because you are understanding the complete structure of the organization. And now, as per those complete infrastructure, yes, this is the encryption methods we will use and provide the more security to our organization, you need to consult them. Okay. And definitely sales is the one of the very important part, because new customers, new partners or new clients are emerging to the companies, and how they are going to ensure that their data, their information secure, and they will be able to enhance their sales, and they would be able to focus on the main objective of the company. You need to guide them. Okay. And just collecting all those information, you need to present a report so that the board of directors or the concerned person can understand it. And this whatever the guidance you just suggest them, they would be able to implement throughout their company. They can just discuss with their security cyber security team, and they can implement all these things. These are the just few of the tasks of the security consultant. You need very good communication skills. You need to know lot many things to become the security consultant. And definitely there are a lot of opportunities, whether just you are starting your own business or you are providing the consultancy as an employee of a company. Lot of opportunities, guys, is there. So this field is really very vast, and lot many opportunities, because everywhere we are using digital devices, everywhere we need to protect our data, our devices, our infrastructure from the cyber attacks. So, a lot of manpower, lot of consultant required in the field of cyber. Okay. And follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what is the need for become a security consultant, what the like of expectation from a security consultant, and how they can become, and what type of skills they need to learn. Yeah. And in the next session I will discuss about what are the features of a good security event manager solution. Namaste. See you in the next session.